If you're looking for pizza on Federal Hill, there's no shortage of great options and styles. But by far the most infamous pizza on Federal Hill is another long-standing culinary landmark, Caserta's Pizzeria. Caserta's has developed a fanatically loyal following thanks to their extra crispy crust, their sauce on top style, their plain pizza, and a signature spinach pie that keeps customers coming back again and again.
Caserta Pizzeria, we've been in place in the same location since about 1953. My family and my dad's partner purchased Caserta's back in 1981, so we've been doing this for about 37 years now. We think what we do pretty well. We're dedicated in providing or producing a product with the finest ingredient, giving our families and our friends that do come to the pizzeria a good experience. This is the kitchen at Caserta Pizzeria. We have about 35 employees here, very dedicated staff. We're fortunate some of our employees have been here in excess of 40 years. These three gentlemen combined have over 60 years experience working at Caserta, so we think that retaining quality employees translates to the product that we put together. We have both square pizzas, which is our large product, and round pizzas, which is our small product. One thing we do is we pre-bake the shell, so basically we dress the pizza and do a double bake on it, which gives it a nice firm crust, a nice crunchy crust. It's a Neapolitan type pizza. It's a little bit thicker than New York style, but not as thick as Sicilian. So basically the cheese goes on first, the toppings go on after the cheese, and then it gets dressed with our tomato sauce on top.
Caserta's is also famous for their plain pizza, a Rhode Island tradition.
We produce what's called a plain pizza, which is a classic Rhode Island style pizza. Basically, it's a fresh crust with our tomato sauce, a little oil dressed on it, and a little oregano dressed on it. Some people enjoy it with grated pecorino romano and a little hot pepper. So the dough we make today, we'll proof overnight. We'll sheet it out in the pan. We put it in the steam oven, do our pre-bake on it, and that's the shell for the final product we'll sell tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Great sauce.
Larges are square, the small ones are round. They double bake the crust so it's nice and crunchy, and put just a little tiny sauce on it first, then the cheese, and then the sauce on top of that, which stays crunchy. Good idea.
It does stay crunchy. That's exactly why.
Oh yeah, it's so light and crispy. Delicious. It's great.
The other item on the Caserta's menu that has become a cult favorite is the Wimpy Skippy.
Basically, Trish is making Wimpys right now. We take our spinach pie, we par bake it, open it, we dress it with mozzarella and pepperoni, and then we do a final bake on it, open faced, fold it together, give it a few more minutes, and that's the Wimpy. It's a spinach pie that it's a different twist to a spinach pie that people seem to enjoy, and we do fortunately sell quite a bit of them.
Wow, look at that. It's gorgeous. Ooh, loaded with spinach. Can you see it? There's the Wimpy, famous for them spinach, pepperoni, and mozzarella. And that beautiful crust. Look at that. There you go. Oh no, come on. That is good. Wow. They call this the Wimpy, right? The Wimpy?
Candy, right?
Oh my gosh.
Wimpy Skimpy.
The Wimpy Skimpy? That's not Wimpy. That is fun. A lot of cheese. What's not to love right there?
I really like this pizza. We came down from Worcester, Massachusetts. The sauce on this is amazing. I love the way they put the dough together on this. I'm really enjoying my day here. Great pizza.